Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another brand new video. And today, I know it's been a while since I last posted on this channel, but I'm back again with another brand new DeFi project, which is Paribus. Now Paribus, if you look at here on the screen, you see a lot of, probably the screen that's nice and the website is amazing. So we're probably gonna see what Paribus is all about. I'm not gonna say too much. I'm just gonna hop into the video direct. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe and turn notifications on, and also give it a thumbs up on this channel because it helps the channel grow every single time. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Now let's say invest in DeFi, redefine your yield. Wow, that's probably amazing already. And let's say a cross-chain borrowing and lending protocol for NFT. Now that's what Paribus is all about. Now Paribus is a cross-chain borrowing and lending protocol for NFTs, liquidity positions, and synthetic assets, which I'm gonna explain what those mean in the video as we move on, so stay tuned for it. Now I'm building for the Cardano blockchain. Now this is to say that Paribus is under the Cardano blockchain. Alright, so it's probably an amazing project. Now all my crypto enthusiasts out there, you should know what Cardano is. So it's going to be an amazing project, so we just have to hop in and see more about it. Now we see the interoperable value leverage, which is, we're going to talk about it and see what it's all about. Now as DeFi moves forward, innovators are uncovering transformational ways to store and represent value on chain. Wow, that's pretty much amazing already. Now what is Paribus' mission here? Now Paribus' mission is to unlock the true potential of these assets, involving them into interoperable, yeah, that's what that means, financial instruments capable of being used within DeFi protocols on any chain. And that is fantastic, because as you see, a lot of things have been going on lately in the DeFi projects, and if Paribus' mission here is to unlock these potentials, which is pretty much amazing, I'm gonna talk about what those potentials are. So as we go on, we're probably gonna see what it says more about it. Now, faster than anyone could imagine, we say DeFi is consuming the traditional investment landscape and bringing new utility to areas that have remained unchanged for decades. Now, without further ado, now I said I was going to talk about what liquidity position is. Now, liquidity position is a measure of the cash, right? It's a measure of the cash and other assets banks have valuable to quickly pay bills and meet short-term business and financial obligations. All right, I'm gonna say it again. Now liquidity position is a measure of the cash and other assets banks have available to quickly pay bills and other short-term businesses and financial obligations. Well, that is it. So that's what Paribus are actually going to offer in this project, and that is amazing. Now synthetic assets are new assets class due. All right, let me take it again. Synthetic assets are asset class made possible by banks or blockchain technology. Now these are tokens. All right, so that's, synthetic assets are just tokens, all right, that are digital representation of derivatives. All right, so now these are tokens. Now when you hear synthetic assets, it should take your mind back to tokens. They are all tokens that are available in the blockchain market, and there are a lot of things that we need to talk about, so I need to go into it. Now back to what we're saying. Now if you look at this, now you can see a lot of images. Now I'm going to talk about the very first one that we see, a liquidity position, which I've already talked about. Now I'm going to talk about synthetic asset, which I have brought up, and we're going to look at the third one, which is digital asset. Now digital assets, now we should all know what it means. All my crypto enthusiasts, these are all NFTs. Now for those who are tuning in for the first time, I don't know what NFTs are. Now these are NFTs. Now NFTs are called non-fungible tokens. All right, now they are cryptographics token issued on blockchain to represent unique digital assets such as artwork, music, and collectibles. All right, that should be very explainable. Now as we go further, you're gonna see this outline in their website, and they're going to talk about it, but I've already mentioned this, so there's no point going back to it again. So just stay into it and it's gonna be fun. Now, what's the third one? The fourth one, sorry, we have is virtual lands. Now this is interesting. Now those of you who are in the metaverse, which I'm also there, you know what virtual lands are, all my crypto enthusiasts out there. Now virtual lands are probably they form the backbone of crypto power metaverse platforms, like a digital platform where virtual lands or virtual reality and augmentative reality are used to create a virtual world. Now all these things are amazing. Now these virtual lands that we see here, they help in the crypto market or in the metaverse. Let me put it that way, which is probably self-explanatory when you go into it more. Now they help in a lot of things. Now if you want to check more about metaverse, I'm gonna link the link in the description below so you can get to know it more. And I think a video of Mark Zuckerberg talking about the metaverse and talking about what it means and every single thing. But that's what Paribus are also gonna go into. I'm gonna help a lot in the blockchain and in the Cardano blockchain. Now as we go further, let's see the last one. Now they say it can be verified and it can be sold. All right, this is amazing. Now I'm gonna explain what this is. Now if it can be sold, there is a market value. If it has value, it can be modeled. Now Paribus is the protocol that brings all these forces together, offering DeFi holders and investment a platform to extend the reach of their digital assets and positions, double down to their earning power. Now all these are assets that DeFi holders and investors can have. Now they have the smart contracts, they have music, which is part of NFTs, crypto collectibles, which are also NFTs. Now domain name. Now this is a lot of people don't really know what domain name is. Now domain name is a string that identifies a realm of administrative anatomy. All right, now they show anatomy and authorities or control within the internet. All right, so we have enough domain names. Now we can probably name one like Google is a domain name, Wikipedia is a domain name. Now if you want to talk about the blockchain about it, I mean, because Cardano is a domain name for Paribus. Now because Paribus is under Cardano blockchain, so it's gonna be a very interesting project, and this is gonna help a lot of investors, a lot of DeFi holders out there. So if you have been looking for things like this, amazing things like this, so what are you waiting for? Hop into Paribus. It's gonna help you out a lot. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link the description to every single Paribus website document so you can read more on it, and I'm gonna also talk more about Paribus in my YouTube channel. So if you have loved this video, but firstly before I go, let me show you the website for Paribus, which is something you need to look at and get to know, familiar with. Now already the website is amazing. They have 31.5k followers, which is really nice for a upcoming cross-chain borrowing lending protocol for NFT. Now this is amazing. Now you can see now if they outline what they are here. It's a cross-chain borrowing and lending protocol for NFTs, liquidity position, which I explained, and synthetic assets built for the Cardano blockchain. Now this is super amazing. Now more videos gonna come on Paribus, so I want you to stay tuned to this, and don't forget to click subscribe and turn notification on, because it helps me and it helps the channel very well. And I'm gonna leave you all here, and all the links to Paribus is gonna be linked in the description below. That's it for me today. Peace.